After finishing your meal, please press and hold the power button for 1 second to turn off the device. After the device is off, please clean the head attachment with water. Please make sure the head attachment has been removed from the handle to avoid splashing or immersing the handle part. And the head attachment is dishwasher safe. To clean stains on the handle part, please use a moist towelette or alcohol pad to wipe, then dry with a cloth. When doing daily storage, make sure the head attachments and handle are cleaned and completely dry before storage. Please place the cover on while storing. Do not store the device in high temperature or high humidity environments. For prolonged periods of non-use, ensure the device is fully charged before storage. To maintain battery health, please charge the device each month. There is one important thing you should know. Never clean the handle part with a dishwasher and strictly prohibit high-temperature sterilization or putting it in the microwave. Thank you for watching the cleaning and storage after use tutorial of GYENNO Bravo Twist. Now you can enjoy your meal.